embassies are occupied with so many international issues of so many other platforms where they have to concentrate more.
Yes.
But this is also a issue where the question of a child who is of Indian citizen
Yes.
and the whereabouts of the child are not aware, so they must take with full earnest and with same degree of seriousness with the other matters they take there in their agenda. Yes, Madam Ashwini, about it.
And that status we have filed, but then we are really not, we have not been able to go. I can't even say very far because we've not been able to.
They have only taken ministerial actions, no effective measures are taken. The child is not yet been located.
And that's from our side, we had, if your lordships have seen the status report, we filed it yesterday, Malad. We are carrying copies also.
Just
Filed status.
Status report.
Yes, sir.
We have only
One is MEA, one is Delhi Police. Yes, yes.
else can be done except by the Ministry of External Affairs and our local embassy there.
Yes, Malad.
Now, local embassy, how the diplomats are willing to, involve themselves in the matter, much will depend on them
Yes, Malad.
and how seriously they take it.
Yes, Malad.
Embassies are occupied with so many international issues of so many other platforms where they have to concentrate more.
Yes.
But this is also a issue where the question of a child who is of Indian citizen
Yes.
and the whereabouts of the child are not aware, so they must take with full earnest and with same degree of seriousness with the other matters they take there in their agenda.
So after my lords had so indicated, I had a virtual conference with the ambassador, my lords, in our embassy there in Russia. And they are fully cognizant of the sensitivity and the seriousness of the issues, my lords. Your lordship's orders are also very clear in that, my lords. The tone and tenor of your lordship's order also indicates the alacrity and the importance of the issues. But my lords, so if your lordship see the status reports, now we have sent them questionnaires also, where the diplomats whose assistance has come in our investigation. So unfortunately, because of diplomatic immunity, we will have to proceed everything through MEA. And Malads, we wait for these responses to come. So far, neither the location has been, Malads, confirmed to us, nor the questionnaires have been answered by the other diplomats who are working in the embassy. We have also written to the Russian bank from where the amounts have been paid from the investigation. So we are really, Malads, roadblocked on data right now from that side. Efforts are there. If your lordships will see the status report, the efforts are there. We have our embassy in Russia has also sent another letter, which another MLET request that has gone to the Russian
where is your
prosecution.
communication to the Russian embassy or the local ministry?
Yes, ma'am.
Saying that so and so officials are prima facie with this evidence are suspected to be involved, and therefore we would like to put them to custodial interrogation.
So, Malads, if your lordships will have the not custodial interrogation, we have put a question.
You have
there,
to.
Malads.
No, the question answer they will never. You must ask them to seek their custodial interrogation. Why can't you send a communication that
Yes, ma'am.
on the basis of the investigation conducted so far,
Yes,
on the basis of the information gathered so far, or whatever digital evidence you have
Yes.
about their roaming or their coming and going, that you are satisfied that these 2%, 3% are prima facie involved, and therefore they are required to be subjected to custodial interrogation.
lordships.
We are writing letters to do. They have to do some of that physical movement. Meeting the officers and get it down.
We haven't asked for that so far, Malads. We have sent questionnaires for them to answer on investigations, but they have not answered. So my lords, maybe that can be the next
See,
step.
question answer is based upon on the presumed immunity that they are not supposed to come to you and therefore they.
Yes, my lords.
There are, if you will read this MLT, if you will go through this mutual treaties between the
Yes,
two,
my lords.
in the case of certain offences,
Yes, my lords.
such an immunity can be dispensed with.
Yes, my lords.
It's not available to everyone.
Yes, my lords.
There are certain exceptional circumstances, so you have to create to make sure that your case falls within that exception.
Please, my lords. My lords, lordship may call it after some time. I'll impress upon the officers
Please
that we
appreciate
need to.
Passing of power order is not
I
advisable.
see that, my lords. I see that.
This may unnecessarily be, sometime it may lead to an unwitting impact on the relationship between the two nations, which we do not want.
Yes, my lords.
And even her mother,
Yes, my
who
lords.
has been operating from there, Russia,
Yes, my lords.
they are not subject to any immunity.
They don't.
No, they are not, my
For
lords.
them, the
So why
lookout
don't you get
notice
a
was.
lookout notice again?
That has been done, my lords. That has been
Lookout notice
not
has
for
been-
mother, but for Viktoriia
Lookout
Basu.
notice, but it has not been taken out.
Yes, my lords. It
There
has
was
been
a
taken
purple
out
Notice.
for Viktoriia Basu
You
lookout.
don't have a red corner notice.
Yes, this.
Red
You
corner
have to
is
issue
put there,
red
my
corner
lords,
notice,
for-
that's the.
A lookout notice, red corner
Yes,
notice,
my lords.
not
There is a blue
the
corner notice.
blue notice. That's what
for
purple
Viktoriia
notice is
Basu.
there. But get a red corner notice. There is not, you don't have the diplomatic immunity hurdle.
That's right, my lords. Your lordship is right. Lordships may
Because
permit me.
that may impress upon the Russian authorities that someone who is proclaimed on the Interpol level as an absconder,
Yes, my
their
lords.
diplomat is alleged to be hand in glove with them.
Yes, my lords.
In fact, if our understanding is correct, then once you issue the red corner notice, and in the absence of any immunity to them, and keeping the treaty in view, the local police is expected to treat those red corner notice as good as the warrant for them
Yes.
to
They're
execute.
international warrants.
Yes, my lords. The MLAT treaty has special provisions.
As soon as you have a red corner notice, it's an international executable process,
Please, my lords.
which any country who is a signatory to the Interpol arrangement, which Russian Federation is,
Yes, my lords.
will execute it.
My lords, so is blue corner notice and yellow corner notice. Yellow has been issued qua the child, blue has been issued qua Viktoriia Basu. We have not so far done it qua the mother.
For the child, understandable that because probably you can't have an independent proceeding against it for the child.
No, my
The
lords,
child
yellow
is-
is only to know the whereabouts, location.
Child is, whatever it is, the child is in custody of his mother.
That's right, my
So
lords.
that is a challenge as far as the child is concerned.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you have to, unless you catch hold the mother, the other issue will not be resolved.
Yes, my lords.
We are requesting for an upgradation of the intensity of search and recovery.
Yes, my lords.
Since your blue corner notice is not responding
Yes, my
and
lords.
not revealing the whereabouts, this gives you reasonable ground of satisfaction to go for the higher level of
Please.
detention and arrest wherever she is found.
Please, my lords.
Because we do not know, and we pray that it does not happen to be a case of human trafficking.
Please, my lords.
That's
Because
the
if that is the situation, that the child is trafficked to some other exploitative activities,
Yes.
then I think the international conventions against human trafficking will trigger in.
Yes, my lords.
More graver offenses, 370 of the Indian Penal Code and the new BNS will also have to be added.
Would your lordships record that we will report back on how we have intensified our efforts for search and investigation and
It be speeded up instead of writing letters, let there was some movement to officials.
Mr. Bhattacharya, the difficulty is to negotiate between the processes available under the municipal law and the Committee of Nations through diplomatic channels. So we need to balance the two.
That's why, because if the MEA moves faster, not only we are writing letters, it will be kept pending with the desk, nobody will bother.
Give us what,
Some
what
officers-
else the MEA is in a
Some officers of
position.
ABA should go personally and interact with the counterpart. Otherwise, it will never be done.
That is being done, my lords. I can assure your lordships that that is being done.
You interacted with the Indian ambassador.
Yes, my lords.
There used to be a.
Try to move it fast.
To discuss consequences of the observance of land by Russia.
Continuation of the order dated 26 September 2025. Two status reports cum reply have been filed by one I, the Ministry of External Affairs, and second by the Delhi Police. In the report of the MEA, it is explained that first request dated 17th October 2025 under the Mutual Legal Assistance Treaty have been issued through Indian Embassy, Moscow, to the Office of Prosecutor General of Russia. Embassy has also reached out to the Office of Prosecutor General for assistance and cooperation on the basis of principles of mutuality and comity. It is further explained that the MEA is coordinating the Delhi Police for further investigation into other involved persons, including Nepali citizens, next paragraph. As regard to the report filed by Delhi Police, it is stated that notices were sent to Russian authorities for more information. Russian authorities in the embassy here, in the Russian embassy, for more information, but the same have yielded no results. Notice has also been issued to the Bank of Russia, this being silent publisher, Bank of Russia, New Delhi branch for information on the holder of the credit card, which was used to book the tickets. The bank has responded that they cannot share the information due to banking secrecy laws. A reminder notice sent to Trip Link has also not provided any further information. Certain coordination meetings have been strictly held, followed by a request dated 25th October 2025 to Russia and Nepal, seeking specified information on various persons allegedly involved in the matter. Next paragraph. During the course of hearing, we have suggested a definite course of action that is expected to be adopted. We have suggested different courses of action that are expected to be adopted. I have followed one I by Ministry of External Affairs as well as two I by the Delhi Police. We have been assured by an additional solicitor of India that necessary instructions will be issued to MEA as well as Delhi Police to take further action in terms of the discussions that have taken place during the course of hearing. And ASC seeks and granted 2 weeks time to give a further status report.
Please,
Post the matter on also date.
grateful minutes.
2 weeks.
Respect.